we provide you the platform to turn your dreams into reality. Give wings to your aspirations with KR Mangalam University.
Flight bound for London crashed just moments after takeoff from Ahmedabad Airport. The aircraft AI-171 was carrying 242 passengers when it went down near the airport's perimeter. These are the harrowing visuals coming in from the crash site. Thick black smoke billowing into the sky, ambulances rushing to the scene, and emergency services working to rescue and transport the injured to the nearby hospitals. The aircraft involved in the crash was Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner, one of the most advanced jets in commercial aviation designed for long-haul international travel. The Dreamliner is known for its fuel efficiency, state-of-the-art composite body and enhanced passenger comfort. But today's tragedy casts a shadow over what has long been considered a technological marvel in aviation. The Boeing 787-8 took its first flight in 2009 and has since flown more than 1 billion passengers globally. It's constructed with nearly 50% carbon fiber reinforced polymer, making it significantly lighter and more fuel efficient than other aircrafts. It's a mid-sized twin-engine wide-body aircraft that can fly up to 7,305 nautical miles, ideal for long-haul routes like one from Ahmedabad to London. The aircraft is also prized for passenger comfort, maintaining lower cabin pressure, higher humidity, and better air quality inside the cabin. It typically seats 248 passengers in a two-class layout. It is used by some of the world's top airlines: British Airways, Qatar Airways, Japan Airlines, and yes, Air India. And with a list price of over $248 million, the Dreamliner has long symbolized the pinnacle of modern air travel. But none of that matters today to the families of the 242 people on board AI-171 flight. As rescue operations continue near Ahmedabad Airport, our thoughts are with the victims, their families, and all those affected by this tragedy.